Patty's Southern Kitchen here. Y'all welcome in. Come on in and watch me. I have sweet potatoes here. And let me tell you a little something. This time I didn't boil my sweet potatoes. I baked them and then peeled the skin off. And this is 3.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. Let's get down in here. And I'm going to beat them. And I have 2 pie shells ready, and I'm going to do 2 more pie shells. This is 3.5 pounds of sweet potatoes, and I will drop the recipe in the description line. But here it is, and I will show you the finished product. I'm getting ready to whisk this so that it will be smooth, and getting ready to put them in the oven. I'll be right back. These 2 pies are ready to go in the oven, and I will bake them for about 45 minutes. We'll be right back. Hi, this is Patty coming back to show you the finished product of 2 of my sweet potato pies. They are done, and I know they are going to be delicious. If you like my page, please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for joining. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. And this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.